Good night. My name is Nubia Citara Montañez Cruz. My select method is a market approach. Description. The market approach is a method of determining the value of the asset based on the selling price of similar assets. It is one of three popular valuation methods. Regardless of the type of asset behind value. The market approach studies recent sales of similar assets, making adjustments for the difference between them. One of the main advantages of the market approach is that it reflects current market conditions and expectations of buyers and sellers. It is based on actual transactions or market price, rather than an assumptions or the hypothetical projects. It is more reliable and realistic than other methods. It may be easier to apply and understand, as it requires less data and calculation than other methods. It is a effort for valuing comparatives that have stable and predictions performance and that operate in competitive and transparent market with many comparable peers. The market value is determined based on several factors, such as supply and demand, investors' perception of the quality of the asset, the current economic situation, political and social events, among others. Nestlé is once again the most valuable food brand in the world, with a value of $22.4 billion. This represents an increase of 8%. A new report from Brand Finance, a leading independent brand valuation consultants, reports that Nestlé owns again to be the most valuable food brand in the world, has increases studying that to strong sales go across the broad and varied portfolio of brands. It also has the highest sustainability perception value in the food 1002123, ranking valued at $135 billion. Thank you.